Humanity is on the cusp of a new way of healing, one that meets the needs of modern life, helping us restore balance more easily, naturally, and accessibly. One such technology is scalar healing energy, powered by subtle scalar waves that support the body's natural ability to regenerate and repair. The idea of scalar waves was first explored by Nikola Tesla. Energy that moves through space without a medium, unlike electromagnetic waves. When harnessed intentionally, this energy can be used to create a field that promotes deep healing. Scalar waves work by harmonizing your biofield, brainwaves, and nervous system, supporting cellular repair, immune strength, pain relief, and stress reduction. Every cell in your body holds an electrical charge, like a tiny battery. Scalar energy helps recharge these cells, restoring vitality and balance from within. As your cells communicate more clearly, your entire system begins to self-regulate, enhancing the body's natural intelligence to heal and realign. More than 20 research studies have shown that scalar energy doesn't just target symptoms. It helps the body return to its natural state of harmony, where true healing can occur. Many also experience a sense of expanded awareness and spiritual clarity as the mind and body synchronize into coherence. Here at the Pyramids of Chi in Ubud, Bali, your session takes place inside a geodesic dome, a structure that naturally amplifies these healing frequencies, creating a sanctuary of harmony and peace. The future of healing is here, and it's all about frequency, energy, and vibration.